Hi, thanks for joining me today for a quick tutorial on how to create a calendar and custom calendars. So to do that, what you'll want to do is go to Community and Calendars. And if you haven't already created your first calendar, you'll see this message. There are no calendars for this community. Create a calendar. So let's click there. And then click on Create New Calendar. Let's give it a name and a description. You see, this is the event calendar. You only get one event calendar, so it's usually a generic calendar for the entire community. Let's make it active and create a calendar. And then save calendar. If you've made a mistake, you can delete. So let's go ahead and close this. Now let's hit refresh in the portal, and that calendar should appear here. So yep, now here is your general community calendar. But let's say you'd like some additional calendars, like a clubhouse calendar or tennis courts. You can add additional calendars. So your company admins or your community manager level roles will have calendar management available to them under the settings. So let's click there and let's create a new calendar. And let's go ahead and create that clubhouse calendar. You'll see that it defaults to be a custom calendar. Make it active and hit Create Calendar and Save Calendar. Let's close that. Let's go back over to the portal and hit refresh. And there you have your clubhouse calendar. So when you go to add an event, it will ask you, do you want it to go on the general community calendar, or is this a clubhouse calendar event? Pick your start and end time, add event, and there it is. And you can see it's color-coded to match the clubhouse calendar. So you can deselect calendars to just show events that you're interested in. You can add as many event calendars as you like here. They'll each have a different color, and you'll be able to choose which calendar you want to add the event to.